Congratulations, it's a baby boy. How sweet. He's so cute. How are you feeling now?
I'm fine, doctor. I'm gonna make him a doctor.
Think of the name first.
Yeah, we're excited.
Oh good. Oh good.
अम्मी मिठाई बटवा दी आपने? Zubi dubi paramba, zubi dubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh,
It's okay.
come on.
Did you see Rohan? Got banged with a छोटे साथ?
Such a pathetic voice, yaar.
And what about the Pakistani heroine Big Boss? And the stuff she's doing? Toba, toba.
मेरे दिल का ले गए क्या मेरे दिल का ले गए क्या तेरी
Well, yaar, you should please dance someday.
Go and ask Maulvi Saab. Why he didn't come yesterday?
ये आजकल के मौलवी भी ना बस पैसे लेने आ जाते हैं.
When will you teach him namaz? He is already 7.
Oh come on यार, he's so young. अभी इतनी उम्र में नमाज पढ़ना सिखा दूं, कौन वज़ू करना सिखाए? सारी स्लीव गीली करके बैठ जाते हैं इतनी ठंड में. My husband, I tell you, loan is food, bank is food, everything is food.
Come on यार, सारी दुनिया से ले रही है.
That's what I told him yaar, and finally he took the loan and bought me this.
What are these kids saying?
We are playing star plus. He is Bebo and I am Amrit and this bunny is our baby.
माँ सदके जाऊं. जरा आंटी को आरती उतार के दिखाना.
अरे वाह भाई.
Oh my God! These kids, mom.
Abdullah, get up, it's getting late. क्या हाल बनाया हुआ है कमरे का? Abdullah.
Abdullah!
Don't even mind the screen. I saw you.
I didn't do anything. Stop spying on me, Ma.
Okay, go for Jumma.
Ma, you're sick. Did you say prayer at my age? जब आपकी उम्र को मैं नमाज पढ़
Abdullah, where have you been? It's 4 a.m.
was partying home. Good. वैसे ही लेक्चर देगी उसने मेरा मीटर आउट कर देना था.
Are you your He's your father.
I'm off to sleep, Ma. Bye.
मेरी बेटी भी पता नहीं किससे फोन पे बात करती रहती है आजकल. यार अब्दुल्ला भी पता नहीं किन चक्करों में पड़ा हुआ है, किस लड़की के चक्कर में मुझे समझ नहीं आता. क्या करूं मैं इस लड़के का? अब क्या हो सकता है? Abdullah, what's going on here?
What, Mom? You always make me embarrassed in front of my friends. जा रहा हूँ मैं आपका घर छोड़ के.
I think my mom is amazing.
Allah, turn him the way you like.
And she holds my head up high. Don't you ever let you down. 'Cause you are my angel. And she makes something with me true. 'Cause it's cold out there, she thinks. Then she walks me to school. Yes, I ain't no fool. I just think
मुबारक लना फीही वज़दना मिन्हु.
like I can do anything.
Allah Akbar and wait your name like this. Okay?
There's
Holy Prophet likes the kids, so sit and drink water, okay?
After school, she's waiting by the gate. I'm so happy that I just
And
can't
because of the Zamzam spring,
to get
more
home
people
to try to
gradually
have my
take to
dinner.
Center.
Eat the yummy food. Now I run 'cause I don't wanna bath. Let me run around the house with a lamp.
हाँ जी, ये दवाई देंगे आपने सुबह शाम, और साथ में आयत शिफा का कार्ड भी दे दीजिए। अल्लाह के कलाम में शिफा है।
शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब। अल्लाह जज़ा दे, अल्लाह उन्हें जज़ा दे जिन्होंने आपकी परवरिश की।
Mama, how are you? I'm just going to be late today. फिर मैं मेडिकल कैंप लगाया है ना ये कच्ची बस्ती में, जी वही जो इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ में, बस दुआ कीजिएगा अल्लाह कबूल करे। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Of everything around me, proudly I would say I am a Muslim.